The last time I wanted to buy this machine was 260,000 naira. But guess how much I bought it now? I just wanted to have it, like, you know. I have a machine like this, brother. I don't know, you know this toaster. I just want to have it, especially if it is all the sewing stuff. So let's unbox. I know some of you hardly read manuals. You just get stuff and you just look at the pictures and that's all. Yeah. I know most of you. I really don't know what's a bag. What are in here? This is the needle. This is for cleanup. I really like this. So cute. This is for changing needles. So I don't know why. Anytime I get anything sewing, I'm just happy about it. I don't care how small it is. Like, I don't know how tiny it is. Like whatever it is. Even if I get a new scissors that is very sharp, like I'm excited about it. So it's because I like what I do. I really wanted this button hole stuff, so you could do your buttonhole with this. I'll show you guys how to use it, but now maybe another video. So it comes in like two colors. I've seen the darker one and this other shade. I wanted the darker one, but that was not what was available. For the fruits. So it's handy that you can carry it around. You can travel with this person that cannot stay in any place without sewing machine. Like even if it is small, even if I travel, I want to carry something like this, and if I don't, I'll definitely want to look for a place where I can get access to sewing machine. I don't know, that's just me. So